Good morning from the colorful Colorado. We are on our way up to Ski Cooper. And we're calling it right now. Tahoe has the best snow. We have the most snow. Like, dude, never even skied in another place or road, and I'm already calling it. There's not even walls on the side of the road. You can't even snowshoe here.
They don't even have, the winter hasn't even hit yet. Relax. Put your panties out of a bunch.
But they got traffic just like Tahoe. So we just entered the Eisenhower Tunnel. It goes underneath a ski resort. I think it's the Loveland Ski Resort. Pretty weird to have a tunnel go underneath a ski resort.
Badass.
It's crazy. Yeah. Fun pockets. Woo, yeah, it's fun. What a great day. But that's okay, because we're having fun. There's fresh.
Yeah?
This is so fun. So much fun. Okay, lifts are closing. Sun is setting. What a great day to be on the snow. First day in another state. First day riding different snow. Woo, great. Good vibes all around here, good snow, good fun, good people. What a great day. We'll see you next time. Okay, so we are on our way out of Colorado, and my mom asked me to stop and pick up Portugal's most famous liquor from Total Wine. It's the closest place that they have it in America, so had to get a couple bottles. And now we are off to dispensaries, and then we are off to New York, 24-hour drive. Yay. Sleeping in the back. Van life. Van life where you cook outside and you pee outside, but you sleep in the car. It's kind of like that. Alright, so we just made it out of Cleveland, and there is just as much snow here. There's actually more snow in Cleveland than there was in Denver, but there's just as much snow here than there was like at the peaks of Colorado. It's crazy. So hopefully we get some cool snow out here, have some fun in New York. Getting out of Ohio right now and going into Pennsylvania, and then we'll be in New York in just a couple minutes, it seems like. All right, we just made it to our first stop in New York, Ellicottville, at the bowling alley and the pizzeria.
See my sister.
And it's snowing very good outside. Are you loving the New York snow? Jessica. We got here. Yeah.